Okay, so our second of the day, and this is again another very nice FN2 Civic. As you can see, it's in red. It's got some mods. It's got an InGen intake on it. It's got a Teguar 4-to-1 manifold, an M2 resonated catback system. So very similar mods to my car, but obviously without the inlet manifold. So we'll see what we make. This one has also been remapped previously. A friend of the gentleman's car that we've just mapped this morning. So let's see if we can make some improvements. Any improvements are good improvements. It's currently on, or it has started with 209 brake horsepower. So I think we could improve on that. Let's give it a go. Okay, well, another one behaving well so far, Richard.
Yeah, we'll just start nailing some numbers down.
What's the little TV on the dashboard, Rich?
It's a road angel.
Oh, okay. Well, we all need a road angel, especially when we're hooning Civics. Yeah, right. We'll shout some numbers out. Launch control. Okay then. Well, there's yet another FN2 in the bag, and this one's done well. Obviously, it was mapped beforehand, and we've mapped it today. It's all about time and effort, fine-tuning, which is what we've been doing. And it's made some gains, and we're happy with that. This one, what we made, Rich? So it looks like we've...
10 brake is what we've made today.
10 brake horsepower, but we've got brake horsepower right across the rev range.
It's nice because it's the car was already mapped, so you're never going to make as big a gains as you would.
No, sure.
You know, from a standard car. But nice, there's still something to be had. So.
Yeah, and it's gonna react. It's gonna drive smoother. I'm convinced of that. The fueling is obviously much more linear. So yeah, hopefully that'll be a big improvement, and the customer's going to feel that on the road. Nice car. Like I say, we mapped this gentleman's friend earlier this morning, so there'll probably be 2 videos knocking about at the same time, probably tomorrow or whenever I'm uploading this. But yeah, another one in the bag. Happy with that. Thanks for coming, Richard.
Thank you.
And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, mate?
We will indeed.
Yes.